You're standing in the middle of Rome's Colosseum, with 2,000 years of history surrounding you, when suddenly you realize you can't find your way back to your tour group and your phone battery just died. This exact scenario happened to my 68-year-old sister, Carolyn, last summer, and it could have ruined her dream trip to Italy. But here's the thing. With the right preparation, Italy can be the most magical destination for senior travelers. Today, I'm sharing 20 essential tips that will transform your Italian adventure from potentially stressful to absolutely spectacular. Let me start with something that might surprise you. Italy is actually one of the most senior-friendly countries in Europe, but only if you know the insider secrets that most guidebooks won't tell you. This information will change how you approach your Italian journey. Tip number 1 is all about timing, and this alone could save you hundreds of dollars and countless headaches. The sweet spot for senior travel to Italy is late April through early June, or September through mid-October. Not only are the crowds significantly smaller, but the weather is perfect for walking those cobblestone streets without the exhausting summer heat. Plus, many hotels offer senior discounts during these less busy seasons that can cut your accommodation costs by 30%. Transportation planning is where most seniors make their biggest mistake. Tip number 2, always book first-class train tickets between major cities. They cost more, but the comfort level and luggage assistance are game changers when you're carrying a week's worth of belongings. The high-speed trains between Rome, Florence, and Venice are engineering marvels that make traveling a pleasure rather than an ordeal. Remember to validate your train tickets at the platform machines at all stations because, if skipped, can lead to fines. Here's tip number 3 that tour companies don't want you to know. Skip the massive group tours and opt for small group experiences instead. Groups of 4 to 8 people move faster, get better restaurant reservations, and receive more personalized attention from guides. I've seen too many seniors get left behind in crowds of 40 people rushing through the Vatican museums. Walking comfort becomes crucial in Italy, which brings us to tip number 4. Invest in high-quality walking shoes with excellent arch support and anti-slip soles at least 2 months before your trip. Break them in completely, because those beautiful Italian streets are unforgiving on unprepared feet. Pack a second pair of comfortable shoes because your feet will thank you after day 3 of exploration. Tip number 5 could prevent a financial disaster. Notify your bank about international travel dates and destinations, and also set up at least 2 different ways to access money, such as using a prepaid travel card or ATMs affiliated with banks or in your hotel. Avoid getting cash at airports or busy tourist areas. Check with your bank to see if they offer travel credit cards without international transaction fees. Pre-order foreign currency from your bank well in advance, since this may take a little time. Carry a combination of cash, credit cards, and a backup debit card from a different bank. Italian businesses still prefer cash for smaller purchases, and having euros readily available eliminates stress. Accommodation strategy deserves serious consideration, which leads to tip number 6. Choose hotels in historic city centers rather than budget options on the outskirts. The extra cost pays for itself in reduced transportation expenses and precious time saved. Look for properties with elevators, as many charming Italian buildings still lack this modern convenience. Language barriers intimidate many senior travelers, but tip number 7 makes this manageable. Download translation apps or purchase translation devices before departure, but more importantly, learn 10 essential Italian phrases. Italians appreciate effort tremendously, and attempting their language opens doors that remain closed to purely English-speaking tourists. Health considerations require advanced planning, bringing us to tip number 8. Research medical facilities near your accommodations and understand how your health insurance works internationally. Pack a small first aid kit and have medications packed and with you. You can use cloud-based apps to access your records as needed. Dining in Italy offers incredible experiences. But tip number 9 prevents common pitfalls. Restaurants typically open for dinner at 7:30 in the evening, much later than American dining times. Plan lighter lunches and embrace the Italian dining schedule rather than fighting it. Also, tipping culture differs significantly from America. Rounding up the bill or adding 5 to 10% is perfectly acceptable. Be aware that it's a standard practice for restaurants to charge a cover charge. Technology preparation often gets overlooked, which brings us to tip number 10. Ensure your smartphone works internationally and download offline maps of every city you'll visit. Apps like Google Maps and Maps.me allow you to download maps for offline use. Purchase a portable phone charger because getting lost with a dead battery transforms a minor inconvenience into a major crisis. Italian addresses can be confusing even for GPS systems, so having backup navigation methods proves invaluable. Cultural awareness enhances every interaction, leading to tip number 11. Italians value personal presentation highly, so pack clothing that's one step more formal than your typical tourist attire. Avoid wearing shorts and flip-flops when visiting religious sites, as many churches enforce strict dress codes that could deny you entry to priceless artistic treasures. Weather preparation extends beyond checking forecasts, which introduces tip number 12. Italian weather can change rapidly, especially in mountainous regions and coastal areas. Pack layers that you can add or remove throughout the day, and always carry a compact umbrella. Sudden afternoon thunderstorms are common during late spring and early fall. Safety awareness requires specific attention, bringing us to tip number 13. Pickpockets target distracted tourists, particularly around major attractions like the Trevi Fountain and Spanish Steps. Keep valuables in front pockets or money belts, and avoid displaying expensive jewelry or electronics conspicuously. Trust your instincts about uncomfortable situations and don't hesitate to seek help from local authorities. Documentation organization could save your entire trip, which leads to tip number 14. Make multiple copies of important documents, including passports, travel insurance, and flight information. Store copies separately from originals and email digital copies to yourself as a backup. Transportation within cities requires strategic thinking. Introducing tip number 15. Rome's public transportation system offers excellent coverage, but consider purchasing a Roma Pass that includes museum entries and unlimited public transport. Walking remains the best way to experience Italian cities, but knowing bus and metro routes provides backup options when fatigue sets in. You can use Google Maps that are connected to the ATAC transportation system in Rome. You will find tickets, route maps, and other information. Due to the crowded, narrow streets and lack of parking, avoid getting a rental car. Shopping strategies can enhance your Italian experience while avoiding tourist traps. Which brings us to tip number 16. Local markets offer authentic experiences and better prices than shops near major attractions. Visit neighborhood grocery stores for snacks and bottled water, rather than high-priced convenience stores. Communication with family back home requires advanced planning. Leading to tip number 17. Establish regular check-in times and methods before departure. Consider purchasing an international phone plan or using messaging apps such as WhatsApp that work over Wi-Fi to stay connected without excessive roaming charges. Art and museum planning deserves special consideration. Introducing tip number 18. Reserve timed entry tickets for major attractions like the Uffizi Gallery and Vatican museums well in advance. Many popular sites sell out weeks ahead, especially during peak travel seasons. Audio guides enhance the experience tremendously and often cost less than hiring private guides. Emergency preparedness could prove essential, which brings us to tip number 19. Research the location of the nearest American embassy or consulate in each city you'll visit. Keep emergency contact information easily accessible, and consider purchasing comprehensive travel insurance that covers medical evacuation if necessary. Our final tip, number 20, focuses on realistic expectations and pacing. Italy rewards slow, thoughtful exploration rather than rushed sightseeing marathons. Plan fewer activities per day than you think you can handle, allowing time for spontaneous discoveries and necessary rest periods. The most magical Italian experiences often happen when you're not rushing between scheduled attractions. Your Italian adventure awaits, armed with strategies that transform potential challenges into manageable details. Remember, the goal isn't just seeing Italy. It's experiencing Italy with confidence, comfort, and joy. Safe travels, and may your Italian journey exceed every expectation you've ever held about this magnificent country.